Next on the line are the Express 37s. With Steve Hunt calling tactics, it's Blade Runner who gets the jump on the rest of the fleet. After leaving Alcatraz, the fleet heads all the way inshore off the St. Francis Yacht Club, where Durban is well ahead of the rest of the fleet as Wilson rounds in second place. Rougarou in the Melgus 32s, the red boat has increased her lead at the top mark as they prepare for the Spinnaker set. And with that, Andy Lovell and Burton Ben Run take race one. Good timing just to leeward. Arbitrage to windward. Who's going to get it? Both boats square down. They cross the line. Wow. Too close to tell. Port tried to port tack the entire fleet from the pin. IRCB is next off the line. Most of the fleet this time favors the right end. With the Golden Gate in the background, IRCC is heading downwind with TNT in the lead. Jim Mitchell's Vincitori took the lead early on in the race, and now finishing off in front of the St. Francis Yacht Club, they take the gun.